Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to make text appear on Click in Canva presentations. For this demonstration, let's work with this presentation. Start by pressing and holding the Shift key on your keyboard, then select the elements, text, or objects that you want to make appear on Click. Navigate to the animation options in Canva. Enable the Appear on Click option for the selected elements. Then click on Click Order to customize the order in which the elements will appear when clicked. Customize the order of the elements as desired to control their appearance sequence. And there you have it. You have successfully set up text to appear on Click in your Canva presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.